Hello, minasan, konnichiwa. Welcome back to my channel. After a long time, I'm going to post one video as I was a little busy into developing content. So I'll be soon coming up with very interesting content. As you can see right now on the board, I've written agaru. So I've come up with few set of verbs which are pronounced as a single word, but with their kanjis, with the help of their kanjis, the verb's meaning is different. Okay, so it becomes easy for us with the help of the kanjis to identify what the verb is talking about or which action is going. So let's start with the first verb, which is agaru. Agaru. Now you must have heard this word lot many times, but you must haven't come across the kanjis for agaru. So I have come up with these three kanjis for agaru, which is used till n3, and I think it is important for n3 to know n3 gaksei or n4 gaksei to understand these verbs. Let's start. So this is agaru. The first kanji which you can see is ue kanji. So this agaru means to rise up, to go. Okay, to raise your hand is also agaru. Okay, then the next agaru which you can see here, this agaru stands for to become prosperous. So something became prosperous, so agarimasu. Okay, and then next agaru, this kanji, this radical you can see in atsui. So definitely yes, it's related to something hot. So this agaru means to deep fry, some item. Okay, some eatable which you deep fry. So there you use this verb agaru. Okay, now our next verb is taeru. Taeru. So first taeru kanji, here you can see this taeru is to endure physically. Okay, to gain physically, to become strong. Endure physically. Taeru. Then this taeru stands for to endure mentally. Okay, to endure mentally. You can see the kanji difference. It's vast difference between two kanjis. And the next last taeru is oaru. So to end. Okay, they say mentally collapse. So this is to end. Taeru. Taeru. Our next verb is tsuku. Tsuku. The first kanji which you can see is tsuku, which means to attach. Attach. Tsuku. The second kanji of tsuku means to arrive. To arrive. The third kanji of tsuku is to settle, to take, to settle, to accept. The very next kanji is noboru. Noboru. Now see, there are three different kanjis for noboru. Okay, one noboru, the first kanji which you can see is to climb, to hike, to climb. The second kanji is noboru, to climb, to go up, to go up. And third kanji of noboru is to ascend, to ascend, to arise. The next kanji or the next verb is hanasu. Hanasu. The first kanji of hanasu, as you must be aware of, is to speak. This is the frequent kanji seen in your textbook. The second kanji is again hanasu. This hanasu means to separate, to dismantle, to separate. The third hanasu is to let go, to let go. And the last important verb of the day, which is toru. One toru is to take up, to pick up. This toru means to bow and pick. Okay. Then next toru. The second kanji of toru stands for to click, to take image or to click photograph. The third kanji of toru is to obtain, to obtain. So these were the verbs which I thought I should share with you and which are important in revision point of view. Hope this helped you for your exams and you would not forget memorizing them. See you. Bye bye. Haku. Haku. The first kanji of haku is to vomit, to vomit. The second kanji of haku is to wear, footwear, shoes, socks. Haku. Hakimasu. The third kanji is haku. This kanji stands for to sweep, to sweep. The next kanji is hakaru, hakaru. Hakaru means to weigh heaviness. Okay, weight. Hakaru. The next hakaru is to measure in terms of amount, time. And the third hakaru is to make attempts or to plot. Next kanji, toku, toku. See, the first kanji of toku is to solve something, toku. The second kanji of toku is explain. You can see Setsume radical. So to explain is toku. And the third kanji of toku is to dissolve. So ice cream, tokimasu. So ice cream dissolves, toku, to dissolve. Our next kanji is tsugu, tsugu. The first kanji of tsugu means to pour something. The second kanji of tsugu is to inherit, to succeed, to inherit, to succeed, tsugu. And the third kanji is tsugu is to tell, to tell.